You can easily center any item with Flexbox. Here I have two divs, a red div and a green div. The red div has a class of child, and the green div has a class of parent. Let's say we wanted to center the red div inside of the green div. All we have to do is make the parent of the red div a flex container. In this case, the parent of the red div has a class of parent. So let's go up to the parent styling. And the first thing you'll do is use the property display flex. Then for the horizontal center, you'll use justify content center. That gives us the horizontal center. And then for the vertical center, we use align items center. And that's it. Now let's say we wanted to center the word child inside of the red div. In this case, child is in a p tag. The parent of the p tag is a div called child. So let's find that div. It's right here, child. Let's make it a flex container. And give it the horizontal center, which is justify content center. And now we'll give it the vertical line items center. And there you go. Let's say we wanted to move the text to the far right. Instead of justify content center, we use justify content end. If we wanted the text to be to the far left, you use justify content start. Let's move this back to the center. Let's say we wanted to move the green div to the center of the screen. In order to do that, we need to find the parent of the green div. Our green div has a class of parent, so the parent of that green div is the body tag. So let's scroll up to the body tag, make it a flex container, display flex. I'll give it the horizontal center, justify content center. Now you would think for the vertical center, all you would have to do is say align item center. But that doesn't work. Why? Because the body needs to have a height so that it knows where the vertical center is. So in this case, we'll say the height is 100 viewport heights so that it's the entire, not 199, 100 viewport heights so that we get to the center of the page. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe.